short video about my Ibis Ripmo dream build. Frame is size large. Ibis Ripmo V2 in Star Destroyer grey. Race face next are carbon bars, 25mm rise, 800 wide. Fox Factory 36, 160mm travel forks, 44mm offset, grip 2 damper, custom Fox decals grey. (10x51) XTR cassette, XTR Ice Tech 203 rotors, race face R turbine 32mm stem, 35mm clamp diameter, death grips, 175mm Fox Factory transfer, new gen lever, STG carbon Bel Air 3 saddle, 181 grams, XTR M9 120 4-pot brakes, IV spec XTR 12-speed shifter, XTR 32 chain ring, direct mount, XTR bottom bracket, threaded, 1 OBDC tool, Cane Creek headset, Shimano 180 to 203 brake disc post mount, the new gen Hope pedals, lighter and wider than the previous in silver, by grease Motex 2000, XTR long cage derailleur, XTR 12-speed chain, XTR 170mm crankset, 168mm Q factor, 52mm chain line, Thanks for watching.